Hi, it's Jen Piccotti with Swift Bunny. As you're all painfully aware, finding, hiring, and keeping maintenance team members is challenging, and it's become even more challenging during the pandemic. Based on the Swift Bunny Index first quarter numbers, maintenance employees have the highest level of annual turnover out of all multifamily positions. With turnover averaging 51%, property management companies must reevaluate every aspect of how they find, hire, and keep a steady maintenance workforce. The data has also shown that maintenance team performance has a direct impact on the residents' decision to renew their lease, so the stakes really couldn't be higher. In our April Swift Bunny webinar, we'll share insights on what's working for maintenance team members, what's not working, and what they need in order to be successful and stay in their role. Join Kara Rice and me on April 22nd at 12 p.m. Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific. We'll look forward to seeing you.